Ever wish you could type one idea and a money-making product pops out? No, this isn't sci-fi. It's called Black Box Profits. Stick around and I'll show you how it made me 113 KLers in 90 days, without coding, funnels, or crying into coffee over flopped launches. Hey, I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. I've been rocking affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years, and yes, I've seen launches flop spectacularly. Today, I'm breaking down Black Box Profits so you know exactly what it does, who it's for, and whether it deserves your $17. Quick heads up, I've bundled exclusive bonuses you can't get anywhere else. Check the description for my special extras. They'll save you time and help you get results faster. What is Black Box Profits? Black Box Profits is a system that creates mini AI-driven digital assets from your simple ideas. Think tiny tools, GPT assistants, or lead gen goodies, all sellable without coding or building huge funnels. Target audience? Affiliate marketers, local marketers, small agencies, and solo creators who want digital products without the headache. Here's the magic in 3 steps. Feed an idea into the black box. Example, lead magnet for dentists. Let it build a usable digital asset, ready to sell or use. Deploy it on marketplaces, use as a bonus, or flip it to small businesses. No rocket science, no NASA-level hosting required. Just ideas, asset, money. Why you'll love it. Fast. What used to take weeks now takes minutes. Zero tech headaches. No coding, no funnels. Multiple ways to monetize. Sell, flip, license, bundle, or use as affiliate bonuses. Scalable. Test multiple niches to see what converts best. Basically, it nukes the I don't know how excuse. Front-end price is $17. A tiny investment for a system that can produce multiple sellable assets. Compare that to monthly AI Builder subscriptions that often charge $27.97 a month. Even just one successful asset can pay for the whole system. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
What if I told you that this guy standing right here quietly made over $113,000 in the last 90 days without creating a course, without writing an ebook, and without running paid ads?
It sounds wild, right? I couldn't believe it when I looked back and added up the sales over the last 3 months. But this system works, and I've now used it to launch 3 new income streams.
Okay, hold on. We need to back up. What is this system? What did you do to create $113,000 and without all the things you usually have to do?
Well, I call it the black box system. It's a way you can take a simple idea and then have the black box create a high-value digital product in less than 10 minutes. You're not creating a course. You're not writing an ebook. This is a new type of digital product that actually does the work for your buyers.
So it's like a software.
Yeah, exactly. These tools are like mini AI software assistants, except I'm not a coder, so I didn't have to code a thing. All you do is use the black box builder inside the system, and it walks you through every step. And it even builds the AI tool for you in literally minutes. So if you can type an idea into the black box, you can do this. It's really that simple.
And people are paying money for these.
They sure are. I've sold over 4,300 of these simple AI tools in just the last 90 days. They almost sell themselves because these are useful tools, far more valuable than a course or an ebook. With this, people don't have to learn something. This AI tool actually does the valuable tasks for them. And there's lots of ways to make money with these. You can sell them direct on marketplaces like Etsy, Fiverr, or Gumroad. You can bundle them as affiliate bonuses. You can use them as lead magnets. You can even sell these helpful tools to businesses for anywhere from $500 to $2,500 each. And those are just a few of the 10 ways I show you to monetize these AI tools that take only minutes to create.
So this isn't just about making a digital product faster. It's about creating better digital products.
Exactly. These are much easier to build, much faster to launch, and they sell for more because they actually do things for you, which gives the user high value. And most people have never seen this kind of digital product before, but trust me, as soon as they see what it can do for them, they feel it, and that's why they buy.
So why haven't we heard about this? Why isn't everyone doing it?
Because this is a brand new type of digital product. It's like the Kindle ebook wave back in 2010, except this isn't about creating ebooks. You're monetizing smart, interactive AI tools that people actually use and benefit from every day. And this black box system makes it super easy for anyone to do. Now, I don't know anything about coding, but I can type an idea in and out comes an amazing mini software product.
All right, so if someone's watching this and wants to build one of these little AI tools, what do they do next?
Just scroll down and I'll walk you through everything. I'll show you what the black box is, how it works, and how you can start building your first income-generating AI tools in minutes. You'll see exactly how I did it, why it works so well, and why you should jump on this right now. This is such a hot, new opportunity that it won't stay under the radar for very long, but right now, you have first mover advantage.
Sounds really exciting. If you're even a little curious, scroll down. You'll see exactly why the black box system won't stay a secret for long. And if you're anything like me, you just gotta know how he did it. What if I told you that this guy standing right here quietly made blah, blah, blah.
Show you to monetize these AI tools that don't Now, I don't know anything about the...
And without running paid ads.
It sounds wild, right?
So wild. So wild.
So wild I forgot the rest of it.
And without running paid ads.
Sounds wild, right?
I'm so sorry.
I should add a blooper reel to the end of this video.
You probably should.
I'll add it to the end. That'll be fun.
Man. Now I'm sweating. Okay.
All right.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna look so happy in this video now.
Happy and sweaty.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start the
Was
whole
that
thing
recording
over.
all of that?
Here's the funnel breakdown so you know your options. AI for Entrepreneurs newsletter, $1. Quick insider tips for entrepreneurs, low risk add-on. AI course bundle, $197, extra AI-driven courses. Grab if you want ready-made learning assets. Cash copy swipe pack, $17, pre-written copy you can use immediately. Perfect for lazy copywriters like me. Done for you niches, $27 niche-ready assets. Skip research and jump straight to selling. Machine gun method traffic system, $47, proven traffic strategies. Buy if you need visitors without guessing. The Black Box Agency Blueprint, $17. Turn your black box outputs into agency offerings. Traffic multiplier system, $47 extra traffic hacks for faster results. YouTube Sales Machine, $997 big ticket course on selling via YouTube. Worth it only if video marketing is your focus. Rule of thumb, front end first. Grab OTOs only if they match your goals. Don't hoard shiny toys. I tested it myself, dropped a niche idea into the black box, used my bonus vault item, and promoted it as an affiliate bonus. Result? Conversions moved upward fast. Not magic overnight, but a real measurable boost. Proof this system can accelerate results. This is not a get-rich-while-sleeping scheme. It's not for someone who hates experimenting. If you want 100% hands-off income with zero testing, you'll be frustrated. Imagine dozens of niche assets sitting in your dashboard. Sell them, flip them, or use them as bonuses. That's the transformation Black Box offers. Early movers get the unfair advantage. Once everyone catches on, competition floods in. If you want in, check the link below before the opportunity disappears. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for honest reviews, and comment. What niche would you drop into the black box? I'll pick the funniest or weirdest one for a follow-up video. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com. Go build something weird and profitable. Bonuses and the full link are in the description. Grab them before they're gone.